today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to apply false lashes. I'm going to be using these lashes. They're called Stallion. They came from Royal Measurements. You see? Get up close. To apply lashes, you're going to need this. Like, I don't even know what to call it. But you can also use tweezers. It helps apply the lash onto the lash line. You're gonna need your glue, and I have Duo glue. Can you see? I don't know what brand this is, but any mascara will do. So you can use any mascara. So you need this to apply your eyelashes with. You need your glue for the eyelashes to stick, and then you need your mascara to help blend. So So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of these, and then I'm gonna put it, y'all gotta figure out which one. I'm just gonna put it, okay, so I'm gonna put this one on this side. What I do is I grip it with these, helps you hold it. I know my nails is ugly. So you take this like this, and just apply the glue to the lash line evenly. Evenly through. Make sure you get the tips. I put a lot more glue at the tips so it'll stick better, because that's where the lash tends to come up. It's on both ends. And then you want to let it dry just a little bit. See how I got my glue? The glue is applied to the lash line. So I'm going to let it dry a little bit so it'll be kind of tacky when I put it on. Now we're going to apply the lash onto the lash line. So what you want to do is stick it just above your real lashes, and this is, and place it. See, what I do is I place it with that, and then I use my fingers to get it exactly where I want it. And then I start to go through and push it towards my eye to make sure it's sticking. So I go through like this. And don't worry, I'm about to go through and blend my false lashes in with my real lashes. Okay, so this is with the lash, without the lash, with the lash, without the lash. Lashes make a big difference. Look at this. With lash, without lash, like, it makes such a huge difference to your makeup look. Get my glue and then go like this. Like this. Get the glue evenly throughout the whole lash line. It should look like so. I got a little bit of glue on the tweezer thing, but that's okay. Like this. And then again, this is the Royal Measurement lashes in the style Stallion. So make sure you can see. Apply it just above the lash line a little bit. And then I go back through with my real hands, my real fingers, and then I'm gonna push it closer. And then, you know, sometimes you get like excess eyeshadow on your real lashes. So now what we're about to do is get our mascara and blend our real lashes in with our false lashes. I'm starting this side because I'm for sure that this side is dry and this side is not all the way dry, so I don't want it to start moving around. But you go with your real lash up, real lash upwards. You want to make sure you get every single lash. Sorry, I'm trying to make sure I don't poke myself with my mascara stick, but I'm trying to make sure that you guys can see at the same time. See? Look like it's blending, huh? Blend, blend, blend. Just like that. Go back and dip our mascara back in. Get some mascara for this other eye. Blend. You go down, start from the real lash and work your way upwards. Just like that. If you feel like your real lashes are still not blending in with your false lashes, you can go back through with some not mascara, but go back through with eyeliner. Which is probably what I'm gonna have to do for this eye. But there it is. Again, these are Royal Measurement lashes in the style Stallion. Thank you for watching my tutorial on how to apply lashes. And please do not forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and leave comments. And most of all, go get you some Royal Measurement lashes. Look how they got me blinking. They also have wigs, lace frontals, lace closures, bundles, 613 bundles. Go shop. Look at this. I'm more so of a dramatic lash person, so. But they also have something for the natural. If you don't like big lashes like these, they have natural lashes also. I just like big lashes. Once again, thanks for watching.